With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello guys, here the question is, an eye can distinguish between 2 points of an object if they are separated by more than 0.22 mm. When the object is placed at 25 cm from the eye, the object is now seen by a compound microscope having a 20D objective and 10D eyepiece separated by a distance of 20 cm. The final image is formed at 25 cm from the eye. What is the minimum separation between the 2 points of the object which can now be distinguished? So, here first we draw the diagram. Let us suppose this is a lens, objective lens. This is our objective lens, and this is eyepiece lens. This is eyepiece. This is eyepiece lens, and in the question given that the separation between two lenses is 20 centimeter. Okay, and we draw, this is the axis. So from naked eyes we can distinguish object at 0.2 mm. Okay, so here the final image formed from the eye is at 25 centimeter. Okay, which is also given in the question. So focal length of objective lens is, when convert into centimeter, that is 100 upon 20, which is 5 centimeter, and the focal length of eyepiece lens is 100 upon 10, which is convert into centimeter, it is 10 centimeter. Okay, so now applying the lens formula, that is for applying the lens formula for eyepiece lens. Okay, so 1 upon mu e is equals to 1 upon ve minus 1 upon fe. So here ve is given in the question, that is 25 centimeter, so is negative 1 upon 25 minus focal length is 10, that is minus 10, and this is the value we find, mu e. So here by calculating, mu e is minus 50 upon 7 centimeter. Okay, this is mu e for eyepiece lens. So total distance is 20 centimeter. So 20 minus 50 upon 7, which gives 90 by 7. So this is act as V for objective lens, that is 90 by 7. Okay, so again apply the lens formula for objective lens, that is 1 upon u naught is equals to 1 upon v naught minus of 1 upon f naught. So put all the values. Here we find the value of u naught where the object is placed. So put the value of v naught, that is 7 upon 90 minus focal length is 5 centimeter, that is 1 upon 5. So from here we get u naught is equals to minus 90 upon 11 centimeter. Now we have both the values v naught, that is this, and u naught, that is this. Now we can find the magnification of compound microscope, that is M. So M is equals to, the formula is minus V naught upon U naught within bracket 1 plus capital D means distance between two lenses that and focal length. So put all the values here, that is, put all the values. So value of V naught we get 90 minus plus 90 by 7. Value of U naught is 90 into 11 and 1 plus the separation between two lenses 25 and focal length of eyepiece lens is 10. So putting all the values by solving this 90 get cancelled, that is 11 upon 7, and by taking LCM this get 35 upon 10, that is 5. So it is, so final is 5.5. So magnification of compound lens is 5.5. Now it is 0.22 times of 5.5. So now we are able to see a 0.04 mm of separation of the object. This is our final answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.